we're hoping. I mean, we had some really nice weather for Bourbon and beyond, which I'm sure contributed to record numbers. Do we see the same thing in the forecast for Louder Than Life?
Great question. We have a pretty active week ahead of us when it comes to rainfall chances. Unfortunately, right now, Louder Than Life, especially Friday into Saturday, looks a little dicey. Things could change, but for now, we do have some fair amounts of rainfall in the forecast. Hey, just like the old folklore, you know what it is. Pink skies in the morning, sailors take warning, and we definitely saw that this morning before the sunrise popped up around 7:35 in the morning hours, and of course, it's giving way to a weather impact alert day that is posted today. We're going to be watching the potential for scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the course of the afternoon today. Basically no risk for severe weather in the forecast, but I want to give you a heads up from basically 2 p.m. going all the way until midnight tonight. We're going to be watching some steady rainfall possible, and we cannot rule out a couple of thunderstorms as well. A few of us off to the west, even before 2 p.m., noticing the chance for some rainfall. Evansville, just west of Jasper and Hardinsburg. That's where we do have a pocket of some decent lightning strikes and some heavier downpours underway. This is something we're going to be monitoring because in Louisville, we're going to be noticing the rainfall from this system pretty soon. Probably around 1:30 in the afternoon, we're going to be noticing this band of storms march into much of central Kentucky and southern Indiana. But our friends in Du Bois County already noticing some light showers just to the east of Evansville, Indiana. So something to be monitoring for sure. You don't have to go too far to the east, though, to see some patches of blue sky in Scottsburg right now, though. So we are going to be watching clouds on the increase all afternoon and some scattered showers and storms likely in our forecast. Temperatures in the low to mid 70s so far, getting out the door so far early this afternoon. 77 in the capital city. For Carrollton looking pretty good at 78 degrees. Lebanon in the upper 70s and Springfield looking good currently at 81 degrees. So taking a closer look at Futurecast, notice to the west that band of storms. Futurecast doing a pretty good job analyzing what's currently going on radar. Now take a look as we get closer to the 2 or 3 o'clock time frame. That band of showers and storms likely rolling through, and the timing of it could be a little earlier than 5 p.m. But just keep in mind today, if you are going to be out and about, pack the umbrella. You're definitely going to be needing it. Into this evening and later tonight, conditions dry out a little bit more overnight. And tomorrow, right now, the models are bringing in that next shot of rain for the late morning and much of the afternoon hours on Tuesday. So again, a few more bands of storms not out of the question as we get you into much of the daytime hours on Tuesday and maybe even as early as the midday hours. And we're going to be seeing the front finally begin to slide through tomorrow evening. But in the main side of things here, we're still going to be noticing some drier air move in just before sunset tomorrow. So once again, one more little band of pop-up storms as we take you into this post-sunset hour Tuesday. But all in all, we are looking at some pretty decent rainfall both this afternoon and much of the daytime hours tomorrow, as models are trying to be showing about a half an inch to an inch of the rain. Anywhere you see that purple shade, that's for some accumulation just to the south and east of Bardstown, maybe over 1.5 inches of some rainfall. And also, we are watching the tropics very closely. We now have Tropical Cyclone 9 that's forming in the western Caribbean Sea. And right now, the models are bringing it down into the southern Gulf of Mexico as early as tomorrow evening as a potential Category 1 hurricane. So something we're watching very closely, and our localized impacts from that hurricane may even be in our neck of the woods as we get you into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, Brooke. So definitely a week ahead that we're going to be watching very closely with that.
All right, Sam, thanks so much.